morning. A little bit overcast today. We had a lot of rain yesterday and rain scheduled for tomorrow and the following days. So I don't know how sunny it's going to be today. I am doing a couple trails today. Cool. So it's still a little bit windy today. It's kind of a secondary trail right now to the main one I was going to do. But I decided to knock this one out first. I wonder if another storm's gonna pop up with this wind. Maybe. I've known about this place for a while. I always see it on my maps. Just never came out here. And my kickboxing coach actually came out here for a run and posted a bunch of pictures, and I was like, well, okay, now I definitely have to come out here and check this place out. It says no swimming in the lake, but technically this isn't in the lake. This is, a outsourcing from the lake. And from my coach's post, there were some people swimming. I don't know if it was in this part or a different part. Maybe it was in a different part. But I don't see why you couldn't swim. Because you're not polluting the lake water, because this is coming from it. I don't know. I don't know if you go that way or this way. I'm guessing this way because this is sounding louder. You can go that way or this way? Whoa, this is sounding really loud and wild. How do you even get down there? Yeah, watch out for poison ivy here for sure. Oh my goodness. Wow. So I guess you just gotta scramble down, I guess. Huh. Alright, I guess I'll do that. Wow. Now, this is quite loud, but didn't even know this was here. Going to see if I can get a picture in front of the falls there. Water doesn't look deep, so I think I can make it. Of course the shoes will be wet, but that's okay, they'll dry out for the rest of the hike. So it should be okay. So the water looks pretty shallow. Oh, there you go. My wife is always telling me I'm doing dumb things like this, and she's right, I am. Whoa. Oh, okay, the water's a little deeper than I thought. Oh, and it's cold. Holy moly, this water's cold. Yeah, it's like ankle deep. See? There it is. Wow. This is cool. Hopefully no logs come flying over or people. Well, that's pretty cool. Now the issue is I gotta get back up with wet feet. So that'll be fun. This is really a super neat area. I'm glad I took this trail. So I don't think I'm going to try to find a way down there, at least not from over here. There might be a way from over there because it looks like there was a path that might be a bit more of a scramble. Maybe I can go take a look. This is really cool. I'm glad I decided to go out this way. I'm not looking forward to going up this though in wet shoes. Guess we'll see. Yeah, I made it up. Not going down that path because it looks like a lot of poison ivy and I didn't bring a machete. But it looks like this is still a trail. So, I'm gonna see where this goes. Whoa, a little slick still because of not only the path itself from the rain, I mean it's not too muddy, it's just slick, but also my shoes from being in the water. Got a lot of work to do this afternoon around the house. Not really, this whole weekend I got a lot of work to do. What in the world is going on there? Do I even want to know? Path continues on, or I can go down here and explore more from this side of the falls. Well, we can see what I chose to do. Explore this side of the falls. I should have brought a walking stick, because going up and down these trails is not fun. I'm just really mad at myself. Mad at myself that I didn't come out here to this place a lot sooner. I mean, I knew it was out here, or at least I knew this place existed from the app, my trail list. I just wish I knew what was out here. So I guess this is about as far as the trail goes on this part. I mean, it looks like there might be a side trail that goes further, but it starts getting into overgrowth, so not gonna push on from there. Guess I'll go back and do the main course like I was planning on. The little side trail that looks pretty well walked. Near the falls, led me into this pond. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family, every little bit.